Hey guys, we're back and we've got something different for you tonight. We've got a little comparison video, but first I got to mosey over here to my friend Chris and show you this French dip. This gentleman comes in here and has the French dip all the time. Look at that monster. Oh my goodness. Got that au jus, got some of those fries. Man, so dig in, my friend. Enjoy. First meal of the day?
No.
Oh, last for sure,
I
right?
had French toast this morning.
Oh, there you go. Maybe not the first meal, but probably his last tonight. Because who's going to eat all that and not be full?
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Well, here's what we got in store for you guys. Check this out. Let's see. What do we have here?
Well, we have Big Mac.
We got the Big Mac. Let's take it out. Start crying. Let's take the Big Mac out.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'll let you handle it. You just washed your hands.
Yes.
Let's put it down there on the plate, just like that competitor burger right there. Okay, there's a Big Mac. Now, Big Mac here in the Philippines, pretty basically the same as back home. I've had Big Macs here many times. I love Big Macs.
That's the Whopper.
Oh, and there we got a Whopper over here. There's our Whopper. And in the middle here, what do we have?
Oh, have mercy on me.
Have mercy burger. So we're going to do a comparison. We're going to break these apart actually and show you the difference between a Big Mac right here, a Whopper,
The Whopper.
with cheese. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? And a Have Mercy burger here at Poppy's.
No, I fell in love with mercy.
Yeah, me too. Oh my goodness. So let's start taking these apart. First of all, you got to have a stick in the Mercy burger because it'll fall apart because it's so tall. So we'll take the stick out. Let's go ahead and help me get that. Now let's start by comparing. Let's see. Here is the Mercy burger bun. Oh, all the goodies are falling off compared to the Big Mac bun. So here's the Big Mac, here's the Mercy burger bun. Pretty nice. I like the Big Mac bun, nice color and all, but Mercy burger bun for me. It's freshly baked here locally from our marvelous baker. And then let's take it apart. I don't have a big plate. My onions and pickles kind of fell off of there. So we have some slices of tomato, 2 large slices of tomato. We got some dill pickles, some red onions, some shredded lettuce. Go ahead and just set it aside. We'll rebuild it. Then let's get down to the bacon. Look at all that bacon, guys.
Yummy. Wow. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Set that over on top there. We'll put it back. We'll reconstruct. Of course, the American cheese on a 1/3 of a pound imported beef patty. And then, of course, we have our famous Poppy sauce on the bottom. Lift that burger up. Lift it all up. Yeah, there we go. Our version of something like the Big Mac sauce, which you're going to see here in a minute. So go ahead and build that back because I want to eat that. And I might eat. I might eat these other burgers too, unless you take one from me. We got to have a taste test. Not that I haven't ever had a Whopper or a Big Mac before. Just use your hands.
Okay.
Yeah, you can lick your fingers. It's all right. We're going to eat these. We're not going to serve them to somebody else. Yeah, there we go. That's the way. Let's put it all back together. Of course, it's not as pretty as it was when we got it, but it'll have to do. Stack that back up on there. Even rebuilt. That is an impressive burger, guys. So here, let's go ahead and deconstruct this Big Mac.
All right.
Okay. Bread. Beef.
It's a piece of paper, Pop.
Piece of paper? Oh, come on. Don't be talking bad about the Big Mac. Let's throw that over there. We got a somewhat of a pickle in here, I think. Yeah, there's the smallest pickles I've ever seen. 2 of them right there. Where's my pickle? Lift that up. Let me
Oh,
see
yeah,
our
there's a
pickle.
lot. Look.
There, look at our pickle. Our pickle
One,
makes
two,
two of
three.
those.
Look,
Three,
look
four
at this
pieces.
one. No, 4.
There we go.
Look.
There we go. That's some pickle right there. And I guess we got a couple little pickles here. I love pickles on a burger. Let's go ahead and flip that over. What's under there? Oh, more lettuce. Another piece of meat, some cheese,
And that's it.
and some more sauce and lettuce. And that's pretty much the Big Mac. And I know you guys know what a Big Mac is. We've all had millions of them, and I love them. There's nothing wrong with a Big Mac. But this is the point. Just here to show you the difference between a Poppy's burger and a fast food burger from two of the biggest chains from the U.S. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and show
Now
everybody.
there's
Let's see what the
Whopper.
Whopper with cheese looks like. So you got it's big bun. So now we're showing the bun comparison. Now the
Yeah.
Whopper bun is wider for sure,
Yeah.
flatter and bigger, wide than the Mercy burger, but ours is a taller burger. Now the
Is
Whopper
mine or yours?
that goes on there.
Hold on, we have 4 here. No, this is
That's
this.
ours.
Mhm.
How did it get over there?
Because when you
Oh, we
Flip
flipping
the-
them out. All right, so there are some pickles on here and a couple slices of
Yeah, there's the
tomato,
pickles.
and then of course, I think they use a 1/4 pound patty on their Whopper, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see if we can flip it on top so we can take a look at that meat. Nope, flip it over. So let's flip it so we can see the
It's
meat.
okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Whoa.
Oh, there we go. You broke it. So there's
No, it wasn't
there's the
that.
beef patty right there for the Whopper. Now, I'm one of those die-hard Big Mac fans, always have been. But you know what? Whopper's a close second for me when I go to fast food burgers. I think I prefer a Whopper over a Big Mac
Yes,
sometimes,
yes.
but
You used to-
sometimes I just feel like eating a Big Mac, but I usually have to eat 2 Big Macs to satisfy
yes.
myself.
Two big
And I
Macs.
can probably get away with 1 Whopper generally. But yeah, Whopper's a good burger. I can't take nothing away from them. They've created something very nice over the years, the
But
Burger King guys. But
Look at that.
there's a difference. This is what we're doing this for. There's a big difference between what we're serving here at Poppy's and the actual Whopper and Big Mac. So yeah, we love them. We love the Big Mac. We love the Whopper. We eat them. Even though I've got probably one of the best burgers in Angeles City, every now and then I still crave a Big Mac and a Whopper, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
You know, it's just one of those things you grow up with, right, guys? I'm not taking nothing away from these guys. The point of this video is just to show you the difference. Of course, I have to show you my burger, the Mercy burger. This is our smallest burger here at Poppy's.
That's the smallest.
Yes, we have a big Poppy burger. That's the same burger with 2 patties, 2 1/3 pound patties on there instead. Kind of like a Big Mac, missing the center piece of bread. But the big Poppy's pretty tall. People have a lot of trouble eating that big Poppy burger sometimes. So now, here goes the taste test. Now we got to dig in. So where are you going to start, Mercy? You going to start with the Whopper?
Whopper is usually my favorite.
Yeah, let's go ahead. And,
Honestly, used to see this, it's like,
it's a little different when you dissect it, right? You start looking at it in the light.
And I don't want to say anything, but every time that I eat fast food, I got sick.
Don't feel too good later.
No.
All right, well let's go for it. I'm sure you had to smell it first. I know you had to smell the dang burger before you took a bite. All right, so it tastes like a Whopper, right? Pretty typical. Probably a little cold. We've been sitting here a little bit preparing for the video.
Can I have a Coke, regular Coke? Nice.
Yeah, we need a Coke to wash this
I
down.
can
with.
wait for this one though.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and let's get the competitors out of the way first.
What I like for the Big Mac is the
What do you
sauce.
like? That's my favorite part of the
Yeah.
Big Mac, and that's why I created our own version, Poppy sauce, which is very much like a Big Mac sauce.
Yeah.
And I've had people tell me our Poppy sauce is delicious, and they like it. Some people don't like it. Drake is one of them. He doesn't like any sauce whatsoever. Drake's a dry eater. He doesn't like sauce. All right, so what do you think? What do you think about that? Typical Big Mac, right?
Typical, yeah. Fast food.
Yep, fast food.
It's good. I mean,
All right.
it's good as a fast food.
It is. All right, let's go to the star of the show, the Mercy Burger. Mercy's gonna eat her own burger.
Yes. Look at this.
Let's see. You can hardly get that one in your mouth. That's the difference right there. Try to keep that together. You got some on the table.
Oh, I'm messy. I'm very messy.
It's easy to be messy eating a Mercy Burger. Tell you.
Honestly, the big difference, fresh. Everything is fresh.
Yep.
Vegetables, the meat,
The
good
quantity.
quality.
All the quantity and the quality.
Look at
Meat,
this.
bread,
This is
all of it.
delicious.
So a Mercy Burger here at Poppy's is $2.99. 299 pesos.
Yes.
I'll put the conversion on the screen for you guys back home to know how much in dollars that's approximately. It's just under $6 US for that burger. That's a proper $6 burger. Now, the Big Macs over here in the Philippines
$179.
are $179. So, yeah, you could get 2 Big Macs, maybe if you like the Big Mac like I do, and get the same quantity of food. You're gonna pay a little more, but that's $179 in comparison to our $2.99 Mercy Burger. You're going right back. You're not even listening.
I am.
You're just going for it.
No, this is $2.99, $179, and this is $3.14.
$3.14 with cheese for the Whopper.
Yes.
Yeah, but look at the difference in this thing. Oh my goodness. That is a burger right there. All right, well, I'm gonna dig into this Whopper. It's been a while since I've had a Whopper. I'm gonna take a bite of this one. Of course, save me some of that Mercy Burger, Mercy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Not bad. I like a Whopper. It's a big burger.
Yeah, it's a big burger.
A little flat.
Yeah.
A little flat. But if you're going to eat a fast food burger, I kind of prefer that over the Big Mac. But sometimes I just got to have the Big Mac. The Mercy's right. That sauce. The sauce right there. Special sauce.
Yeah, I like
Does it for me.
Yeah.
It's just 2 totally different flavors. The Whopper compared to this, you can't mistake that McDonald's flat. I don't know what they do. It's just kind of unique. You know it's McDonald's when you bite into that.
Yes.
But you know what you know? You know it's a Far East Poppy Burger right here.
Far East Poppy.
You know this when you take a bite of this one.
Oh God, look at that.
None of these others have bacon. This has got a
No.
bunch of bacon.
It's so good, Poppy.
We are famous for our burgers. I'm sorry for my messy mouth. I can't help it. But this
it's
is a proper burger, guys.
Everybody talk about hamburgers. Our hamburgers, they're delicious. And this is, like Eric says, it's the smallest one.
Yeah, this is our baby burger.
Oh my God. What is the biggest? Is the jalapeno? Jalapeno?
Bacon, the cheesy bacon jalapeno is a big burger, as well as the big Poppy burger. We do have the candied bacon barbecue burger. It's about the same size as the Mercy burger. It just doesn't have all the veggies. And that's also a smaller. It's a 1 patty burger like the Mercy burger.
But it's so
delicious as well.
good.
Got candied bacon on it.
That's brown
We
sugar.
bake here in the oven. And it's got barbecue sauce and crispy fried onions. It's very
Yes,
good.
that's
It's a good choice
different.
as well.
Yeah, it's different.
Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and eat these 3 burgers. I don't know about Mercy. You gonna watch or you gonna help?
I want to help.
But which one are you gonna eat and stick me with?
Of course, myself.
So you're gonna eat your own burger.
Just the half, because
right.
it's huge.
All right,
You know what? I can
you
eat
eat
the
all
whole
you can.
thing. Yeah, I will.
I don't blame you. I'll eat the reject burger. I mean, I'll eat these other. I'll eat these other guys. Can't let it go to waste. They're good. I'm not dogging McDonald's or Burger King. I'm just pumping up Poppies, guys. And you know what? We're opening up that spot over there on Walking Street real soon, and you won't get a burger there, guys. Unfortunately, you're going to have to come here for that. Many other things that you'll have to come over here to the Drake Hotel and eat that we won't offer at the Walking Street location. But we're going to have some delicious food there. That's for sure. And as things get closer to the time, we'll start breaking out that menu and showing you all the goodies we're going to have down there. All right, guys, let me eat.